Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are diving into the heart of Indian cuisine with a dish that's both comforting and flavorful, yellow peas curry, which is also known as Matar ke Chole curry in Hindi. This curry is used for chaats, rotis or even kulchas. If you are looking for a hearty vegetarian meal that's packed with protein and bursting with flavor, you are in a right place. This curry is not only delicious but also incredibly easy to make. We are going to transform simple yellow peas into a creamy aromatic curry that will leave your taste buds dancing. Whether you are a seasoned cook or a kitchen newbie, this recipe is perfect for you. So grab your aprons, gather all your ingredients and let's get cooking. We'll be guiding you through every step from preparing the spices to achieve that perfect balance of flavor. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to stay updated on all the delicious creations. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 500 grams yellow peas, wash it nicely and soak it overnight, adding just enough water to cover the peas completely. Then take the pressure cooker and add the soaked peas along with the water. Add some salt to taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and cover the lid properly. And cook the peas for 3 whistles. Then take the blender jar, add 4 tomatoes cut 1/4. And add 2 tablespoons water and simply blend it to a smooth puree. So the puree is ready now. Make sure it is something like this. Then pour it in a bowl and leave it aside to use it later. Then check on the peas. Make sure you do not open it just after 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, rest it for half an hour and then open the lid. Make sure the peas are nice and soft. Something like this. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 2 bay leaves, half tablespoon fennel seeds, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 6 green cardamom, 6 cloves, 1/4 teaspoon hing, and fry this for few seconds. Then add 2 onion chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and fry this for about a minute. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, half tablespoon chaat masala. Add some salt to taste and fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes until the masalas are nicely cooked. Then add the tomato puree which was previously made and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add half cup water and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add the cooked yellow peas 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon dry kasuri methi, handful of chopped coriander leaves, and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. As you can see, the curry is perfectly cooked. Then give this a nice mix and cook it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a delicious and satisfying yellow pea curry, perfect for a cozy weeknight dinner or a flavorful lunch. This dish is packed with protein and flavor, making it a wholesome meal for everyone. Remember, the beauty of cooking lies in the experiment. Feel free to add your favorite vegetables or adjust the spice level to suit your taste. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, if you have tried this recipe, then please do comment and let me know how it turned out. Also, do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.